Hello children, good morning. Welcome back to online learning class of Sri Basava Public School, Ilkal. Okay children, in this video we are going to learn about adding, subtracting of the money and purchase and billing. So Anu has 200 rupees and Rekha has 310 rupees. How much money do they have altogether? Anu has rupees 200, Rekha has rupees 310. So total with them is 510 rupees. Just addition. Meena had 299 rupees. She spent 134 rupees. How much amount is left with her? So total amount with Meena is 299. So children, total amount is 299. She spent some amount, that is 134. So after spend, how much amount is left with her? That is amount left is 165 rupees. So children, next learn about purchases and bill. When we buy goods, grocery, fruits, vegetables from a shop, the shopkeeper gives us a bill. It is a receipt that tells the things purchased by us and the payment made to the shopkeeper. A bill of sale is a legal document that serves as proof of sale and purchase transaction. It is a document that records the transfer of ownership from one person to another, which signifies that the goods have been sold to another person. So children, you are seeing some different varieties of bills. Details of bill of sale. So it contains date of purchase, name and address of the seller and of buyer, amount paid, description of the things. So children, that bill contains date, name and address of the seller and buyer, amount paid, description of the things. Guarantee that the items is free from all claims and offsets, representation or warranties, signature of the seller of the buyer. So it also contains guarantee that the items is free from all claims and offsets, warranties, and even it contains a signature. So children, this is a one ideal store. 1 kg almond is 543 rupees, cashew nut 222, sugar 22, rice 56, tea powder 180. So Suniti went to purchase in ideal store. She purchased cashew nut, tea powder and sugar. So rates according to that: 222, tea powder 180, sugar 22, total 424. She purchased and she got the bill total of 424 rupees. Amrita's, so she too went ideal store and she purchased almond, rice, sugar. So almond is 543 rupees, rice 56 rupees for 1 kg and sugar is for 22 rupees for 1 kg. So total of her is 621 rupees. So she purchased 621 rupees and also she got a bill from ideal store. Thank you children.